Over the past year or so, this channel's been pretty quiet. I've had a lot of life events that have kept me very busy behind the scenes, but since October, I've been gearing up to fully expand the channel again. And more importantly, I've taken the time to define a clear direction for it. In the past, I posted a lot of random videos without a strong focus. Going forward, that changes. From here on out, this channel is dedicated to trap beat production in Ableton. I'll be posting videos about sound design, trap production basics, mixing and mastering, Ableton-specific walkthroughs, and Ableton tips catered directly towards trap producers. The main goal is to now help producers make better sounding beats overall and become more proficient with Ableton. Alongside the YouTube content, I'm currently working on a major project called the Grim Trap Bundle. This is a full suite of kits designed to help you level up your trap beats in your overall productions. I'll be featuring parts of this bundle in upcoming videos so you can hear exactly how it's being used in real sessions. This kit will consist of a drum kit, melody kit, one-shots and loop kit, and an effects kit. If you want early access, you can join the waitlist at djcontour.com. Waitlist members will get a significant release discount when the bundle drops. I've also completely redesigned my website to make it easier to navigate and more useful for producers. There's a lot more coming, but one of the biggest additions is a new community and membership system. I want to build a strong, friendly, and helpful community where we can all progress together. So I bring you Contour Elite. Contour Elite is a low-cost membership designed to give producers access to a growing community, free and exclusive products, exclusive courses, and members-only content. Contour Elite Pro is for producers who want more hands-on help. This includes all of the Elite features, plus beat feedback, monthly one-on-one coaching calls, direct member support, and more. Right now, I'm looking for 10 serious beatmakers to become founding members. These members will help shape the community by giving direct feedback as we build everything from the ground up. In return, 5 founding members will receive a free lifetime Elite membership, and 5 will receive Elite Pro at 70% off for the duration of their membership. This is truly ground floor access, helping build something from the beginning and growing with it over time. As we move forward, the membership area will grow, as well as the amount of products and content. You can learn more and apply at my website, and I'll link that in the description. I'm super excited about what 2026 can be for everybody. My goal is to build a focused, supportive community where we can all grow as producers and push each other forward. Thanks for supporting me and my channel. Make sure to stay tuned for tons of content dropping this year, and I'm looking forward to what we can build together.